Hey Royal Family, welcome to the front row. My name is Roanna Moodley and this is your Thursday edition of Beauty. You know it. So this is the look I got. I wanted to do this look for such a long time and I just didn't get around to doing it. I literally just used lipstick to get my eyeshadow and my blush, and I wanted to share with you on how I got this look. It's so easy to do. It's really simple to do. Everybody has lipstick in their makeup bag, and so if you're running late or you have somewhere to go, you can add some color to your face very easily. So this tutorial is on how I put on makeup with just lipstick. I use lipstick on my eyes pretty much every day because it's easy to do, it's quick, it's simple, and I get to work faster and I don't need to concentrate too much on how I put on my makeup. So if you want to know how I got this look, then you know what to do. Keep on watching. Using the LA Girl Pro Prep HD Color Corrector Primer. This is supposed to brighten my face. I want my face to look bright because I want the colors to pop, and I don't also want to go too heavy as well. So this just gives me a beautiful base. Next, I'm going to use the LA Girl Luminous Glow Skin Illuminator. Now you can use this as a highlighter or you can use it with your primer. Today I want my entire face to look like it's a glow ball. So we're gonna put it on my whole face today. Using my Soft Honey liquid foundation, and I'm just going to use one pump. I feel like it's a LA Girl day. I love LA Girl because it is truly affordable and it is really good. I'm not too keen on the eyeshadows, but the foundation, primer, setting spray, all of that is fantastic. For concealer, I'm going to go in with the same skin color as my foundation. This is in Soft Honey, a warm honey rather, and I'm just going to conceal a little under my eyes and the spots that may need a little coverage. For concealer, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is Beautiful Bronze, and just put a little. To set my face, I'm going to use the LA Girl Soft Honey Setting Powder. This is supposed to be matte. now the base is done, so let's get to the exciting part. I love using lipsticks as a blush, as an eyeshadow, to mix and match with my lips and my outfits. So I also love products that have multiple uses, or you can create multiple uses, because that's what makeup is about. It's about playing around. It's about really experimenting and really trying to get the most out of your product, because sometimes makeup could last a long time and you could use it for different things. And it's always nice to, if you just got a lipstick, a red or a pink or a nudie color, you can work with it and you can make it your own. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with a little bit of a pinky color. So I'm going to choose a simple pink lipstick. It doesn't need to be expensive. Today I'm going to go in with a darker essence color like so. And this is well, I don't know, they don't have the color on it. Nope, they don't, but it has a number here which has 21. And I'm going to mix it with a lighter pinky essence lipstick. This is the number 8. Oh, okay, so this one says ultra last and this one says long lasting. I don't know. So I'm going to use this to kind of cut out my crease, and because it's darker, and then this towards the middle. So let's go. You always want to match your lipstick, your eyeshadow and your blush so that they go hand in hand. So this is such a great way to get that done. So what I generally do is I just use my ring finger and I kind of just use light stroking motions. Then I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm just going to blend it on my eye a bit so it doesn't look too crazy. And then I'm going to go in with the lighter pinky color and I'm just focusing on the bottom section of my eye, just the lid itself. And then I'm going to try and do the bottom. So just like you would apply kajal on your eye, I take the ring finger again and I'm going to hold my eye here and kind of smudge it. Next, it's time to put some blush on. So I'm going to go on my cheekbones, 3 strokes is what I usually do. And then I'm going to use the same beauty blender to blend it out. Usually people say, why don't you smile? But I like to blend it out when I'm not smiling so I don't look too crazy, because when I smile it goes up there and then the color will go down on my face and I'm not smiling when I'm not smiling. So just to kind of keep it normal looking, that's what I do. And then you want to take a little bit and smudge it on your lips. Next, it's time to use my Hey Gorgeous mascara in Pure Wild. It's supposed to volumize. That's not even a word. Volumize. For gloss, I'm using my Kiki Beauty Lip Balm and Rose Wax. love this lip balm. It is live and it's only like 100 rand. So this is the look. I hope you liked it. If you did, please comment below and let me know what you thought of this look, and give this video a thumbs up if you thought it was really cool to follow, and do subscribe to my channel because it does help me tremendously. I post videos every Mondays and every Thursdays, and Thursdays is beauty with me. So I guess I'll catch you on the next video. Keep it royal.